we go again. Blow the snow. I blew the snow. Blow the snow. Oh, hey, sorry, didn't see you there. Welcome back to my car shop. I didn't realize you were going to be here today. Oh, I'm getting ready to head out and blow snow here, but we got a package in the mail, and I want to share this with you today. Stick around. I'm Mike, and you're watching my car shop. Oh, sometime last week, I think it was, I got a message on Facebook Messenger from Jabo, and he said, hey, what's your address? Got something I want to send you. Now, I don't know if you know who Jabo is, but if you're familiar with a YouTube channel called Bad Tree Productions, then you know who Jabo is. So the boys over at Bad Tree and Jabo, they put together a package and sent it. It came a couple days ago, and I decided to wait and open it on camera and share it with you. So let's open it. I'm sorry, Colleen, I don't know where it went, but the little blue, it's here. But I'm using a Sawzall blade, so it is what it is. Let's see here. The box has baking instructions on it. I wonder what I'm baking. Whoops. There we go. Save that for later. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh boy, we got goodies. Oh boy, we got all kind of stuff in here. Woohoo! Well, I don't even know where to start. Wow. So much awesome stuff. First of all, we got a couple of really nice yellow tinted safety glasses. Those are going to be so handy. I find as I age, I have a hard time seeing things, and I know these can really help with that. Let me be styling. Oh yeah. Perfect. Do they lengthen? They do not. Yes, they do. Yep, they do. Okay, I thought they did. Perfect. Look at that. They even fit right over my glasses. That's absolutely perfect. So let's see what else we got here. We got a stick-it sanding block. Oh, these are nice. I like these. That's a perfect size. That's a nice stiff one, too. I have a couple that are softer, but this one is nice and hard for making panels nice and flat. And it's good because we're not far off from doing block sanding on stitches. So that's awesome. Oh, yes. Rough grit discs for grinding. Those are awesome. Can't ever have too much roughage, especially as you get older. Some of those, what do they call, flap discs? I never did know what these things are called. Yep, flap discs, okay. Yeah, these are nice because they kind of wear away as you use them, so you always end up with nice, sharp. So there's a couple different ones here. This one is a 40 grit. Yeah, another 40 grit, but they're just two different styles. Those are really cool. There's another one. That's awesome. Lots of grit. What do we got here? This is quite a care package. Man, thanks, guys. This is really humbling. Oh, these are nice. These are going to be super awesome as I'm doing some of the heavier metal work that we do. These are just cut and grinds. Can't tell if there's a grit to these or not. I don't think so, but they're really good heavy grinding wheels for my big grinder and for fabricating heavier metal. That's just well, actually, as I think about it, grinding welds even on sheet metal, those would work for too. You just have to be careful. Oh yes, I was just looking at my dwindling supply of Roll-Lock discs the other day. We have a whole bag of all kind of different Roll-Lock grinders and these things. Man, I haven't had any of these for a while. Like I said, my supply is dwindled, and there's fistfuls of these babies in here. Get them out. Look at that. There's still more. Oh man, that's cool. All kinds of different varieties. Yes. Now I've got to dig up my arbor. I've got one somewhere. What we got here? Oh, cool. You guys must have been paying attention. This is a replacement shield, which I need desperately for my face shield. And this one's really nice and stiff, and it's the exact one needed on this thing. So that's cool. Thanks, guys. What we got here? These guys can be a little practical jokers too. So I'm, stuff like this I'm opening with a little bit of, just kind of, could there be a joke in there? Probably not. Oh, cool. Earplugs. Yeah, cool. That's very good. Thank you. A big bag of those babies. A couple different styles. Much needed. Sometimes I don't like using my muffs, my headsets, and I just stick shop towels in my ears, so I know exactly where those are going to go. I have a spot for those over there for the future. There's still more. Awesome. Couple of blue tapes. Love this tape. That's, if you've been around here any length of time, you'll know that the blue tape is the only tape that I use. Got some here. There's some more over there. There's some up there. So I go through this stuff like crazy. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Jabo. And we have what here? I've not used this type before. It's sandpaper. I know it's sandpaper. I'm just durable backing. Very nice. Yes. Okay. Oh, I see. It's got a no slip backing on it. Gotcha. Okay. That's awesome. And this is 180, 220. And then wet or dry, 120, 320, and 600. All the grits for prepping a vehicle for paint. And you have no idea how desperately this has been needed. I used to have big, huge drawers full back there in my file cabinet of sandpaper, and it's slowly gotten used up over the years and been hard to replace it. So this is just amazingly generous. Thank you so much. I'm blown away. I really am. Yeah, I've struggled to restock the shop on a lot of things, and this care package is life-changing for what needs to happen here in the shop on the projects that we're doing. I've been picking up onesie twosie stuff as I've needed it, but to have the storehouse replenished with all of these materials is just absolutely incredible. And I love the glasses. I'm styling. Oh wow, I'm actually kind of speechless, guys. Thanks, Jabo. I'm really, truly, thank you so much. We've known each other quite a while via social, and never had the opportunity yet to meet person to person, but someday I hope we can make that happen. For years, I've had in mind to do a road trip, and you guys were one of the first stops that I've wanted to make. So hopefully things keep heading the way they are, and things get turned around here, and we'll be able to make that road trip. That'll be really fun and really exciting. So thanks so much. I appreciate it. I've got to get the electric start for this. They make a 110 volt starter that you can put on these. You just plug your extension cord in, and there's a button you push. The older I get, the more arthritis I get in my shoulders, the harder it is to start these things. So anyway, I'm going to get this outside and blow some snow, and I'll be right back. Whew, well, that's done. Becky will be able to get in the driveway when she gets home, so it's all good. Hey, I want to give a shout out to J-Bo. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Blake, Jeremy, all the guys over there at Bad Tree Productions. I really appreciate the care package. I can't tell you how much it's appreciated and was needed to be able to move forward on a lot of stuff here. So appreciate it much. That'll do it for this one. It's always about spending the day here in the shop. I was so excited to open that package up. I just couldn't wait. And so that's what today was about, besides going out and, well, that blew. But, you know, it had to be done. All right, catch you on the next one. We'll be back with a hands-on one real soon. Chris is going to be here, and we're going to be working on that Cincinnati lathe, and we are going to be continuing to hammer forward on stitches. We got stuff to use on the project. Catch you on the next one, and don't forget,